Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go through step by step how you can claim your COPI rewards. So what we're going to do is go to the link tree, of course. And if you guys haven't already, you can definitely check out the Loose Moose token as well. But what we're going to do is go here to Cornucopias File Node, register here. So if you guys have already been participating, click on this link and it's going to take you to a dashboard. So if you have to create your player account, we have tons of tutorials here on the channel. Go here, type in player account, type in Cornucopias. This will guide you with whatever you need in regards to most things that we talk about on the channel. So we've got tons of videos, including a recent ADA price prediction as well as assets. So we got a lot to cover in the next coming weeks. So this is what you'll see. So here you have an overview. You can see the Moose's account. Here I can view some of my assets. But what we're going to do is go to Manage Nodes. So here you can view your nodes. And you also have your rewards page. So I already have that open right here. So we're going to close out. And what you can see here are 8 registered nodes. So I have tutorials on that. So for those of you that got in, that have been accumulating rewards, you had a specific timeline where you could do this. So that is passed, but things will improve and change down the road. So keep that in mind. So under rewards, here we're going to see our lifetime rewards for my 8 nodes I've been running for a few months now. I've accumulated roughly 8,300 COPI. Okay. So if we take a look, we can see per day, we're earning roughly 9.5 COPI per day per node. So here I'm going to make sure I got my wallet connected as well to sign this transaction. So what we're going to do is claim. So for claiming, go to select chain. For me, it's ADA. So if I were to select base, and if I were to select my wallet, I don't think I would be able to claim anything. So I'm going to go to Cardano and I'm going to go to a wallet. So KO3, so I could send to this wallet. So that would be, yeah, KO3. So that would be to my Trezor. So currently on the Trezor, we got 101,000. So we'll keep that in mind. So we're going to add to this. So here we're going to go to KO3. I also have my 6L, which would be my hot wallet. So what we're going to do is do all available rewards. So we're going to max out and we're going to take all of our rewards that we can get. So it says here we will receive a 2 ADA with transactions. So let's hit claim. So here we're going to put in our password. Please take time to confirm the address. We already know the address is good. There we go. Your claim has been successfully submitted. So here it shows claimed rewards. So if I go under claims, here we can see it's pending. All right, so we're going to hit it with one more refresh. So it's been roughly 4 to 5 minutes now. And if we go to our wallet, let's see if we've gotten our rewards. So there we go. There we go. So we now have 109,000 COPI in this wallet. So we are also staking some and we will update you with that in the future. So ladies and gentlemen, comment down below if you've been able to claim your COPI rewards. It's very simple. Just select your chain and then select your wallet and claim your amount. So guys, head over to Linktree. You can use this as a guide. You can also pick up a Tangem, save 10% off. We've now sold almost 800 Tangem wallets. So I like seeing that. I'm going to get the ring in the mail very soon as well. So the Moose will get married to crypto. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.